In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on TikTok. Complete 2025 guide. First, open your TikTok app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything loads quickly. If the app hasn't been updated in a while, it's a good idea to update it beforehand so the buttons and menus look the same as what I'm showing. Next, log in with your account. Use the same account you used to make your purchase, whether that's your email, username, or a linked login. If you have multiple TikTok accounts, double check you're in the right one. Your orders are tied to the specific account used at checkout. Once you're on the homepage, head to your profile. You'll find the profile button along the bottom of the screen, typically on the far right. Tap that to open your profile page. This is your hub for everything related to your account, including your shopping activity. On your profile, look for the Orders option. It may appear as an orders label or an icon related to shopping. Tap it to open your order center. This page usually groups your purchases by status, such as to pay, to ship, to receive, completed, or canceled, so you can quickly see where each order stands. It's a convenient way to check payment confirmations, packing and shipping progress, and delivery updates at a glance. Now tap View All. This expands your list so you can see your complete order history rather than just a few recent items. With the full list visible, you can scan through past and current orders in one place. You'll typically see order dates, item images, seller names, prices, and the latest status. From here, you can better understand what's pending, what's on the way, and what has already been delivered. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. If something looks out of date, pull down on the page to refresh it. If you don't see an expected order, confirm you're logged into the correct account and that the purchase was completed successfully. Regional layouts can vary slightly, but the profile area and orders section remain the main path. Also, if you recently ordered, give it a little time for the status to update, especially right after checkout or right after the seller ships. That's it. Open TikTok, log in, go to your profile, tap orders, and then view all to see everything in one place. Follow these steps, and you'll always know exactly where your TikTok purchases stand.